Aloe vera is one of the most wonderful plants that nature offers us, and today I am going to show you some ways to use it. But first, let's talk about all the wonderful minerals. Aloe vera has such as calcium, potassium, sodium, manganese, zinc, copper, iron, and magnesium. Amino acids such as lysine, valine, leucine, phenylalanine, and methionine, and folic acid, as well as vitamins A, B1, B2, B6, and B12. It is the only land plant that contains B12. The gel is extracted from the inside of the leaves, while the juice comes from the underside of the plant's tough outer skin. Use it for various ailments. It is very important that you clean the aloe vera before doing any of these recipes. Take an aloe vera leaf and submerge the bottom part in water for 12 hours to extract the iodine it contains. After 12 hours, extract the gel from the leaf and place it in warm water. You can use an ice cream scoop or spoon to scoop the gel. Separate the gel, keeping only the liquid. Grate a white potato, with the peel on, extract the juice, and mix it with the liquid from the leaf. Take this daily on an empty stomach. The gel can be stored and used for another preparation the following day. This treatment is indicated for gallbladder inflammation, kidney infections, and for proper liver function. For constipation, eat only the gel before breakfast, lunch, and dinner for 8 days. To create a healthy drink, to enjoy excellent health, make it a habit to take a tablespoon of aloe vera leaf gel with a little fruit juice every morning. This will help you stay healthier, have more energy, improve digestion, combat ulcers, constipation, colitis, and arthritis. It is also effective in the early stages of digestive cancers. Therefore, drinking a little aloe vera daily would be one of the wisest habits. For tired and sore feet, massage your feet with a little aloe vera juice or soak them in warm water with a quarter cup of aloe vera juice. For sore muscles, sprains, and aching joints, apply a cut, warmed aloe vera leaf to the affected area with clean skin for half an hour. It acts as an analgesic and can be applied frequently, with or without heat. For psoriasis, eczema, and sunburn, drink aloe vera juice at least twice a day and apply it to the affected area. Remember that aloe vera juice is astringent and can dry out the skin. Therefore, the treatment should be accompanied by baby oil or other moisturizers. For sunburns, frequently spray with aloe vera juice from a spray bottle, or use an aloe vera ointment. For cold sores and canker sores, damaged nerves, and childhood illnesses, applying aloe vera juice frequently is very effective. It is also useful for restoring damaged nerves, reducing scars, preventing stretch marks, and soothing inflamed nipples after breastfeeding. After overindulging, when you've eaten too much or very spicy food, take several tablespoons of aloe vera mixed with a little fruit juice. Regarding excessive alcohol consumption, an aloe vera punch is the best remedy. For varicose veins, brown spots on the skin, and old acne scars, applying aloe vera juice morning and night is very effective. For pimples, apply aloe vera ointment. For hair and scalp care, apply pure aloe vera juice. It also helps with scalp conditions and provides shine, richness, and manageability to the hair. For facial care, complexion, wrinkles, tone, and smoothness, aloe vera juice is an astringent and skin stimulant. It is excellent as an aftershave lotion. When properly combined with balanced emollients, it is a fabulous remedy for achieving a more youthful complexion, firming sagging tissue, and softening and diminishing wrinkles. For acne, soak an aloe vera leaf in warm boiled water for 15 minutes. Then apply a steam bath to the affected area using chamomile, dry well, and then extract the aloe vera gel and immediately apply it to the area affected by acne. Thank you so much for watching and spending a little time with me today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who would benefit from this video.